assuming that you're searching for Algorand cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of Algorand Algo will go from now on. We will dissect the previous costs of Algorand Algo and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, foreseeing something so wonderful is totally unthinkable. However, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. Algorand is a public blockchain stage that was made to address versatility and security issues in other blockchain frameworks. It was established by Silvio Micali, a Turing Grant-winning PC researcher, and sent off in June 2019. The Algorand group comprises of experienced experts from different ventures, including blockchain, money, and network safety. A few critical elements of Algorand include versatility. Algorand utilizes an agreement calculation called unadulterated confirmation of stake, PPOS, that permits it to deal with exchanges at a high throughput, making it reasonable for huge scope applications. Security. Algorand is intended to be secure against assaults by vindictive entertainers, incorporating those with critical registering power. Algorand has various likely applications, including production network, the executives, advanced character, resource following, and decentralized finance DeFi. It has likewise been utilized as the hidden stage for the improvement of various decentralized applications dApps in these and different regions. Algorand past value investigation. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Algorand is $19.76 and Algo is at present positioned #61 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of Algorand is 8,138,272,685 with a market cap of $1,607,733,184. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Algorand's cost has shown a decent increment of 136% as of now. From most recent 7 days, the Algo was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 494%. Algorand has shown areas of strength for extremely of late, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute. Algorand value expectation 2024. According to the gauge in specialized examination, in 2024 the cost of Algorand is supposed to reach at least value worth of $1,635. The Algo cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1,094 with a typical worth of $1,737. Algorand value forecast 2025. Algorand cost is conjectured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $763 in 2025. According to our discoveries, the Algo cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $653 with the typical figure cost of $2,900. Algo value gauge for 2026. The cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $5.27 in 2026. The Algorand cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.6553 with a typical exchanging cost of $0.5722 all through 2026. Algorand Algo value forecast 2027. Algorand cost is figured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $0.8249 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the Algo cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $1,931 with the typical figure cost of $0.8477. Algorand value forecast 2028. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Algo, in 2028 the cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $1.21. The Algo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.41 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.24. Algorand value expectation 2029. The cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.76 in 2029. The Algorand cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $2.11 with the typical cost of $1.81 all through 2029. Algorand Algo value forecast 2030. The cost of one Algorand is supposed to reach at any rate level of $2.63 in 2030. The Algo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $3.06 with the typical cost of $0.70 all through 2030. Algorand value conjecture 2B31. The cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $3.64 in 2031. The Algorand cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $4.52 with a typical exchanging cost of $3.78 all through 2031. Algorand Algo Value Expectation 2032. According to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2032 the cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $5.34. The algo cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $6.53 with the typical exchanging cost of $5.49. Algorand Value Forecast 2033. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Algo, in 2033 the cost of Algorand is estimated to be at around a base worth of $7.70. The Algorand value worth can arrive at a limit of $9.37 with a typical exchanging worth of $7.97 in USD. Algorand Value Conjecture 2040. Associations and coordinated efforts with laid-out organizations or businesses can contribute essentially to standard acknowledgement. In light of our Algorand cost expectation in 2040, the base anticipated cost is $156.19 and can reach as high as $182.51 for the year 2040. It can exchange at a normal typical cost of $165.76. Algo Value Conjecture for 2050. Looking at verifiable execution gives setting. However, it is essential to perceive that previous exhibition isn't characteristic of future outcomes. According to the gauge and specialized examination, in 2050 the cost of Algorand is supposed to reach at least value worth of $204.67. The algo cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $239.91 with the typical worth of $216.15. Algorand Value Figure Facts. What will be the algo most elevated estimate cost for 2024? The algo cost is supposed to arrive at a greatest degree of $0.94 toward the finish of 2024. Is Algorand Algo a wise speculation? Algorand's worth is supposed to keep on growing, as deficiency will in general empower cost rise. Kindly note, there is a gamble to any venture. Simply put resources into what you can achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions and direct the greatest exploration conceivable. What is the eventual fate of Algorand? The eventual fate of Algorand is profoundly subject to the general exhibition of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into Algo, you want to ensure that you are utilizing the right methodology. This kind of venture isn't appropriate for those with an uneven gamble profile. Notwithstanding, still a great venture for those who have a high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary position. Notwithstanding its theoretical nature, Algo likewise offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a consistently developing biological system. What amount will Algorand be worth in 2030? As far as value, Algorand has a remarkable potential to arrive at new levels. It is conjecture that Algo will increment in esteem. As indicated by unambiguous specialists and business experts, Algorand can raise a ruckus around town cost of $3.06 till 2030. What amount does Algorand cost in 2025? The cost of Algorand will increment as additional financial backers engage in the venture.